March 23rd, Pacers. That means it's 3 days until Pacie's birthday.
23, 24, 25, 26!
Woohoo!
Uh-huh.
And so today, Pacie gets to open 2 surprises from her Ryan's World road trip. That's exclusively available on Amazon.
Woo woo!
All right, you ready?
I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, let's go.
For the second one, can I open this one?
Yeah, whatever you want to do. Go. Got it?
I opened. OMG!
Who is it?
It's him.
Ooh, hold him up. Ooh.
Can I just show you?
Where is he from?
He's
Where is he?
I don't know.
Let's see. Cute. Okay, let's see if we can find him.
Where does he belong?
Can you find him, Pace?
No.
Oh, there he is. Washington State.
Wait, he's in Washington.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Not DC, but Washington State. Isn't that cool?
Cool. Can I just show you something?
What, baby?
Hold on. He has to be here on the map somewhere. Wait, hold on.
Okay, let's just open the other one. Let's go.
Okay, I'll show you.
Okay.
I don't want to waste our time. Oh my god, I'm gonna open this one. Oh, come on! It's another panda.
It's another panda?
Please don't tell me the crazy one.
Come on, let's see. I can't wait to see. Pacers can't wait to see.
Oh, it's a present left over.
Okay, hold it up for the camera.
Oh my god.
So cute. Let's find him.
He has a picture on the back, like this one.
Let's see. So cute. Where is he?
He's right.
Ooh, Delaware.
Wait, we have Della. What now?
Delaware.
Della. Oh, the one that we got from Colorado almost looks like that one
Yeah, just a little bit.
and that one.
All right. Is there anything you want to tell your patients before you go?
So I have some on my brain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Cool.
And there's more that was coming from my collection like this.
That's awesome. All righty, Pacie.
Thank you, everyone. What can I do? Bye-bye. Deuces. Like and subscribe. Toodles.
Where'd she go?